welcome to a video. This is Trains at Speed in Hornby. Let's start these up. At their top speeds they can be quite long, but now, as you can see, I've got quite a lot of trains here, and all the different carriages are different liveries and stuff like that. Now, I'd say this video can be long if you want it to, but make sure in the comments to subscribe to new video ideas in the future. And please like and subscribe to my channel, as it will help me out quite a lot. Bring the train on here. Now, as you can see, I've got the HST, and I'll move this train over. Now, as you can see, guess which train is which? That's the Class 43, I know it is. But this is the 4472. See? Now, on here you can get close coupling only when you reverse it, but I don't think it's meant to. As you can see, look, it's so close together. They're so close together that you can actually see that they join. Now here, these carriages don't have close coupling. Move on to here. Still don't. And then here's your brake carriage. And then you got the Flying Scotsman before it. Sure if you can see the name badge. But as you can see, all those different liveries. This one here is actually on the route of the Flying Scotsman, and I got the Flying Scots. This carriage here is on the route of the Flying Scotsman, so that it's pretty good for my models, because the Flying Scotsman's there, it's on the main line. You can see, but I'm working on our high speed line up there, so I can have more Trains at Speed video in Hornby videos. As you can see, ends there. But here, we're going to have a tunnel here. This is what's coming off the end here. So we're going to have a piece of wood coming off there, around there, to hold that in. Wood coming down there, paint it blue, and then going into a little pond at the end. Now, please like and subscribe if you want more videos. Please, please, please put more videos ideas in the description below. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.